Hey everybody, Tio from Art Geek Teaching. Hey, today we're going to look at just a short little vlog about what's going on in the studio, like a day in the life. So I'm just going to show you the several things that I'm working on today. Here we go. Okay, so we'll start in the studio. I've got a big panel here that I just put some adhesive on to put some foil. And that's kind of been a few hours throughout the day. It hasn't gone nearly as well as I had hoped. I thought I was going to do my background in black. I didn't look at my transfer images, and so I put it in black. And then when I went to go print my transfer images, I realized I needed to do it in white. So that's been done twice. And over here, there's a little test of it. On the bench, got all this stuff out here because I want to do a comparison of some bling. These are all just gold markers, some gold metallic paints, and I just want to do a little comparative study of those. That's where my brushes are from today are hanging out, dried. This has a little bit of touch-up to do on it. This piece is a landscape, and I just put some drywall mud on it, so he's hanging out, drying. And that is a test piece for a big buffalo that I have. So painted him up, did some stenciling on it, and I think that one's gonna work okay. So I think what we'll do, oh yeah, this beast, that's the propane for my little heater. When I want to get it heated up fast, that's what I do. And so I've also got to take that out to the garage, which that's a dangerous place. It's like a hoarder lives there. So that I can get this area ready. Once I put my foil on and transfer my image, then what's going to happen with this is I'll be pouring some resin. That will hopefully be tonight. So I got to finish getting this table ready, get all this stuff out of the way so I have working room. So that's kind of the things inside. Oh, one other task for today is I'm going to sort through my brushes. Really, I don't need all these brushes out. I'm going to find a place for them and only have just a handful out that I use on a daily basis. All right, so I'm going to grab one of these. I don't know for sure I'm gonna keep the camera rolling or not for the wood shop. It's not good. So we'll just go in there and see what we've got. Can't see this, but we'll see what happens here. Okay. So one of the things I have to do, I mentioned, is this. And another thing that I wanted to do today is I have this frame ready for a panel to go on it. And then I also have another frame. These are finds from the thrift store. This thing is really cheesy. I'm just going to put some bracing in it. So there's a couple things in the wood shop to do today. I cut these down earlier. What did I get? 2, 4, 6. I got 7 4x5s, 2 11x14s, and 1 24x30 out of a piece of scrap. So I think that's it. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.